Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can engage first-time visitors and customers with Aitrillion. Engaging first-time visitors and customers to your online store with Aitrillion is literally a breeze. It is so easy and so simple, and there's so many points of engagement that your customers would really enjoy engaging with your online platform, unlike those online platforms that offer no user engagement at all. One of the easiest ways to engage with your online customers and first time visitors is to enable a newsletter sign up pop up. Not only is this an engagement tool, but is also a way you can offer a very small discount to your customers if you wish to for signing up for your newsletter. And additionally, it helps you maintain a record of newsletter signups into a list so that you can send them newsletters, announcements, sales, discounts, so much more. And creating such a pop-up is really easy. All you have to do is go to the smart pop-ups and newsletter sign up, and then you have the configuration tools available, and you just have to create a new form. And in the create a new form section, you just have to fill in a couple of details, choose your template, choose your images, choose your let's say I want to choose something like this, and I give it a name, newsletter, and I add it to my newsletter list very quickly. And then this screen opens up with the templates. I'm allowed to put in a lot of details, content, sign up success message can say, thanks, here's your discount code. And then you can just generate a code from Shopify and give it there. You can choose a lot of images and stuff in the content section, choose the positioning and stuff, the behavior. Now the newsletter sign up can be, you can choose to display it on all pages, and choose to display it anywhere on the site, or you can have two pop-ups, one coming for newsletter sign up in the beginning of when the customer lands up on your site, and one coming when somebody tries to exit the browser. And once you're all done saving your settings and stuff, all you have to do is you'll see the newsletter sign up on the front of the page. Your customers will see the newsletter sign up on the front of the page when they lined up. The one that we chose is for 10 seconds. So this is the one that will come on the site, which is slated for 10 seconds. So anywhere on the site, here it is. So this is the one I chose. I just have to enter my email address, subscribe now, and says thank you for subscribing. You can always have a discount code coming in here, like using the process I taught you. So this was one of the ways you can use newsletter sign up. And like I told you, the newsletter sign up, you can make two pop-ups, one coming in the beginning of the site, and if somebody closes that out, another coming, let's say, at exit intent. So somebody is trying to exit the browser and they head to that cross in the top right corner. This newsletter sign up pop-up can come in, and it will basically show you, allow you to enter the email address, which is a huge a huge asset, so that you can send all these emails out, your newsletters, your announcements, your sale announcements, and so on and so forth. Another way you can engage customers with Aitrillion is using one of the loyalty rules. So if you go to loyalty and activity rules, there is a very interesting concept where you can give a certain number of points on creating an account, making a purchase, and when visiting the store. So if you just enable two or three of these initial steps on the loyalty, so somebody creates an account, they get, let's say for example, if you set up 50 points, they make a purchase, they get another 25, and they get, let's say, 10 points or 5 points every time they visit the store. So just this visit store would be a huge incentive for people to visit your store again and again, because just for visiting they get 5 points. For creating an account they would have got 50, and every time they make purchase they can get 25. And this is a huge way to get people to visit your store again and again and make purchases again and again, because they keep getting points which they can exchange eventually for some sort of reward. And the rewards are also something that you make. So you dictate the points, you dictate the rewards. Another way of engaging the customers with Aitrillion and your website is using web push notifications. Now, web push notifications are like those notifications you get on your phone for an app. So you've got a news app on your phone, you see that notification come in when there's the latest news. So similar to that, for people who have accepted to sign up for web push notification, again, for which they can get points. See, they can get loyalty points for signing up for web push. And when they do sign up, you can send web push notifications out. And this is a great way to reach out customers in real time, because if they are on their computer, they get the notification at the bottom of the screen somewhere here. And if they're not on the computer, they can get the notification on their phones. And it is so interesting because you really get to them in real time. You can get to them, you can send them sale notifications, you can send them announcements, you can send them abandoned carts, back in stocks, price stops, push widgets. There's so many things you can do. It is really one of the best ways to reach your customers in real time, because somebody who is subscribed to push notifications, they are going to get that notification. It's not something about emails going to spam, or email not received, or email accidentally deleted. This notification is going to come at the bottom of the screen if they're on the computer or on their phone, or even on both. Now, in addition to that, yet one more really interesting feature for the Aitrillion system is having a countdown bar. So if you go to your announcements bar in dashboard, you can actually create a countdown bar. To show you what it looks like, it looks something similar to this. I'll turn this on. So on the back end, I'm going to show you what this announcement bar really looks like. And this is what it will come on the top of your site. You can change the color, the design, the behaviors. If you want to have a reddish color, something like that, suiting the theme of your site. It's kind of a really interesting uh, way to interact with the customers, because this is kind of a motivation or incentive to customer to hurry, rush your order before this timer runs out, to save 10%. And it somehow figures on the top of your site eventually. This is a test platform. So right on top of the site, you'll see a bar like this, and you can basically make your settings to choose your scheduled date and time for your bar, to show it only between a particular date and a particular time. And choose your own design, choose your own behavior, choose your font families. If you want a font like this, or a font like that, or get a font like something crazy like this. So you got so many choices. You can just have so many types of announcement bars running. So this is a countdown timer bar, you have an announcement bar, you have a sales motivation bar. There's so many things you can do, and they're all going to help engage with your customer. So there are so many points that really cannot cover them all in one video. But if you want to learn more about Aitrillion, you can go to our website, aitrillion.com, look at all our features, and sign up for your program today. You can also schedule a call with us using the book a demo link on the website, or live chat with us if you have any questions from the live chat button on the website. If you're already using Aitrillion and you need support, just write into support@aitrillion.com and we'll be glad to help you. Thank you so much for watching this video today.